HI5MK ice maker kit. These are our tools. The Phillips 1/4 inch and pliers and water line going to the wall. Water valve. Line. Hardware. Ice maker itself. And a bucket. Got 3 small screws, 2 bigger screws, a couple clips. You got this, see that there? Down there. Make sure that this is seated all the way up in there, and it bottoms out. And just slide the retaining clip up so it's sitting on the plastic, and that's good. The other fill tube just sits, just kind of make sure that's in all the way as well. First thing first, always unplug the unit for safety reasons. Sticker off. You want to make sure that this gets flush up to the metal there. So kind of twist it a little bit. We'll go in there. Inside. This is our standard vinyl shelf out. This out. Just pull on the left hand side. Should pop right out. What I want to do, these are the 2 longer screws that are in the kit. Screw those in about halfway so your ice maker has something to hang on. What you want to do, try to plug that in first. Once you get it plugged in, it's usually easier to put this on before you hang it up there. Push it on, get it hooked on the left side, kind of pull it over to the right, and it should snap in easier. Like that. Hang your cup. Make sure that the fill tube, I don't know if you can see it, inside there is going into the cup. And just tighten those screws down, hold it in place. Put the arm up to the off position, and we're ready to put the water up on the back. The thing we gotta do is take this cover off. Take your water valve, take this little cap off, and you want to see inside here. The instructions says you can cut this wire tie. Sometimes you don't need to. You can just pull it out. Plug it in. Take 2 of your smaller screws. Get that tight in there. This is your line coming up from the fill tube. Goes in the bottom. Make sure it gets seated all the way up in there. Copper line that comes from the house and be careful not to kink it. Okay, at this point you want to put the cover back on. Power cord comes through here, and the 2 water lines come up through this little relief up here. You got your 2 clips. Just peel the tape off the back of that. And keep the last clip here, and this goes on the line that goes to your wall, this drain relief. And we're done on the back. And we'll make sure and put the shelf back in on the bottom position. Number 2. Let the bucket fit in right. Turn back down and plug it back in, and you're good to go.